It's an effort to curb crime and keep the city clean. The Clean for Green summer job program launches today.
And this year, the Indianapolis Fraternal Order of Police is supporting that program. The Now Indy's Candace Avalos was at the launch earlier and joins us with more. Candace?
The Clean for Green summer job program now employs 200 young people, and they say they had over 400 young people apply but couldn't take them all because of funding limits. Now, those who got in the program got the chance to get job training, mentoring, and even clean up the community. Its purpose to keep kids positively engaged. The Fraternal Order of Police supporting the program with a $5,000 check, saying they hope they will inspire a few young people to become police.
The program focuses on our youth and one, focusing on employment for them, but also focusing on the opportunity for them to give back to their community. And we just specifically wanted to come here on behalf of all of our police officers to let them know that as police officers, they matter to us and their success matters to us.
Now, they also hope their support will inspire other organizations and companies to also help. The $5,000 they gave will cover 1 week of wages, and each participant earns $25 and gets breakfast and lunch each workday. The program hopes to include all kids who apply next year.